Trader, happy Saturday update day. Yes, this is the NASDAQ Composite at that 200-day buy signal that we posted. We gave it out. We rallied up. We cleared the 50-day moving average. That 50-day moving average acted as a wall of resistance. It cleared it. It's sitting right there on top of it right now. Dog days of August, no volume on the rally. Zero volume on the rally. Warning, zero volume on the rally. Warning, price exhaustion on the rally. Warning, September, we're coming down. Be aware, you've been alert. That volatility is going to return to the stock market and you're going to get caught straight off guard. Like always, it happens every year, every time. The selling will have volume. The buy side had no volume.